FireAlarm9200, bringing you System Test 42.
With SafeMan 4202.
Yep, exactly. Looks like this will be the last test.
I get it.
Yeah, it looks like this will be the last test with the NFW50. I've got a new panel, but before I set that up, I need to get some resistors for it. So, this may or may not be the last test with the NFW50, and if it isn't, there'll be another one after this.
Got
so
the
we
BGX.
still got the same pull stations up.
Yep.
Except, I think we showed. Did we show this the last test?
I don't think so.
Yeah. The SD
I put this up.
500 PS. I have 3 more of these, and I may sell them after this video. So we got all NS's.
Well, not exactly.
Well, pretty much.
I have my LED exceeder, my
NS MCW.
yeah LHSW.
Yep, LHSW.
That's still the same.
Yep.
Oh, and guys, this detector isn't hooked up to anything. It's just filling that spot.
Wheelock HSWC Exceeder.
Yep.
And Wheelock ZNS MCC. And then, yep. I don't know if anybody knew I had this. This is actually a wall mount ZNS that I received a few months ago. I don't think I really have showed it yet. But you're seeing it now. So I'm going to let David pull the BG10L.
I'm doing this.
Oh, you're doing that one?
Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
Get my silent IQ. Alright, if you have epilepsy, do not watch
The
this.
security relay is off, right?
Oh. No, we'll find out. They're all in perfect sync.
Go ahead and get this. So, go while he resets that. Here we go. That's actually cool.
It's because of the sync. And the reason why it takes a little bit longer to silence than usual is because something with Wheelock, if there's multiple devices on one circuit, they'll all be in sync.
I really
get
like how this
silenced.
thing flashes.
Oh yeah?
Oh, come on. It's pretty cool.
Alright, now I'll do the...
No, not yet, not yet. I have heard... Okay, back.
Alright, if I can find my Firelight key, there it is. Now we're going to test the detector.
Need that stool.
sometime today. Yep.
Okay. Reset everything, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and do system reset.
Okay. So before I end the video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the panel. Yep. If you've seen my little demonstration video that I uploaded yesterday,
It
is the 5820XL.
And I did get the annunciator working.
Yep, we have an annunciator for it. So
Shout out to L Hall Electrician or DJ Cyber Legend for helping us get this programmed.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Might need to get some new resistors for this thing, but once I do that, this thing will be up on the system. So there's your quick panel. There's the panel. Goodbye.